Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to make a paper cap. This will be an easy origami tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the paper cap. You can see this is the part where your head would go, and then this is the brim right here of the cap. It's an easy process, so let's get right into the video. You're going to start off with a square sheet of paper just like this, okay? Now the first thing that you want to do is fold it from corner to corner. So take one corner, fold it to the other corner, okay? Give it a nice solid crease. You want to give it a nice solid crease. The more accurate that your folds are, the better off that it's going to look, okay? So now what you want to do is you want to essentially turn it around so that it looks like a nice wide triangle, just like that. Then you want to fold it from one of your corners, like on the right to the left. So fold it from the right to the left, but you're not going to make a complete crease, so don't do it just yet. Make those corners touch like that. Then all we need is a middle marking. So we're going to just take our finger, pinch it at the end right there, and release it. And as you can see, now we have our marking in the middle, okay? Now what we're going to do is take the top, and you should have your flaps up here, just so you know, it should be flaps up there. Take the top corners, the top flaps, bring them down, make them line up with that center marking that you just created, and give it a nice solid crease. Very important to give it a nice solid crease for this one step, okay? Then you're going to unfold it like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pay attention to this line right here, okay? We are going to take our right corner, and we're going to fold it, our bottom right corner, we're going to fold it up. We're going to make sure that this edge of the right corner lines up with this line right here, and make sure that it is even with this point right here where the fold is. So basically you want it to be even with that point and line up this edge just like that, okay? Give it a nice solid crease, just like that, okay, as you can see right there. Do the same thing with the left. The left, this part is going to line up with this part. It's going to go over top of the right. You want to make sure the corner of the fold is going to be right at that corner right there, okay? Make sure it lines up nicely. Give it a nice solid crease like that. This is what it should look like so far. The left is over top of the right. Very simple and straightforward. Now at this point, we are going to take the front flap that we see here, the flap that is at the front, just one of them. We're going to curl it over and fold it down. And you want to make it touch this line right here, okay? So make it touch that line right there, just like that. The edge is touching right there. Give it a nice solid crease, just like that. Then take this and fold it one more time over, okay? Give it a nice solid crease just like that. Now what we have is a single flap remaining over there. You want to take that flap, push it backwards like that, okay? Give it a nice, really, really solid crease just like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create the opening for the hat. So look at it like this, okay? And right over here, you're going to notice an opening. So you want to take that opening, sort of open it up like that. You want to start rounding it out. That's going to be where the head would go for the person that's wearing the hat. Okay? So start rounding it out. You really want to start rounding it out. If you took your time, it would look really great. I'm going to do it pretty quickly, so it's going to end up, you know, kind of messy like the one I just showed you before. But if you take your time, you can round it out, curve everything really nicely. Okay? Now, we're going to take this right here. This is going to be the brim of the hat. We're going to fold it. You want to round the inside out and fold this down so that it sort of will stick out nicely. You want to bend the corners just a little bit like that, okay? And you want to bend them in so that it sort of sticks out nicely. So now when I round out the hat, as you can see, it sticks out nicely like that. The brim sticks out nicely. No matter how much I pull the hat out, the brim is still going to stick out. So all I did was I kind of bent those corners like that, as you can see, just like that. And we'll make this a nicely shaped brim in just a moment. But what we have to do first is we have to get rid of these like little things here on the edge. So what I like to do is basically pinch them. You're going to create some corners. So I'm going to pinch this side first like that. Okay. Get my hand in here for support, and I want to fold it inwards at first. Really give it a nice solid crease. Then fold it outwards on that same crease. Fold it outwards now on the exact same crease. Okay. Just like that. We're going to release it. We're going to open it up. And now we want to push that corner inside to submerge it within the hat. So check this out. You can use like the edge of the scissors or even a pen like this. Push it inside nicely. Okay, you just want to hide that corner so that essentially when we are, oh, I just ripped it, but it's okay. Really not a huge deal because it's going to be hidden anyways. When we are creating the hat, we can fold it like that together. And we've now hidden that corner inside. Okay, now if it wasn't ripped, it would be really good, to be honest with you. But because it ripped, it's not a huge deal. Do the same thing with the other side. Pinch it, fold it in, and crease it like that. Fold it out and crease it like that. Okay, now open it up and push it inwards, just like that. Push it inwards. You want to essentially hide it. So just get, a pen or some scissors. And scissors might be even worse because it might be more easily broken. But you want to essentially get that and push it inwards and then sort of get these together. Okay? That's what it's going to look like at the end. Like I said, if you take your time, you're going to round it out. Like this is more realistically what it would end up looking like. Not this. This is when it rips. This is what it would look like, okay? So we now have our nice hat, and the brim is the only thing that we have to work on. All that you got to do is take this, and you want to bend this underneath to sort of round it out, give or take. You can take your time, make it look really nice and round. I like to just do it like that. And that's it. That is essentially how to make a paper cap. As you can see, put the cap on your head. That is what it's going to look like. Very simple and easy. This has been a simple and easy origami tutorial, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.